How to add friends and play multiplayers in Dream League Soccer. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you couples of steps for you to be able to play with your friends on multiplayer mode or even add them. So of course, the very first thing that you will have to do is to pull up the game. And then once you're on your home screen, you should be able to see Dream League Live. But as you can see, there is still 6 matches left for you to be able to open up this feature. This feature gives you multiplayer mode and adding friends into your friends list and playing the game. So once you've done the 6 matches, then just simply access Dream League Live. And then once you've selected Dream League Live, you should be able to see option like DLL Exhibition. Once you're on DLL Exhibition, choose on Manage Friends. Then once you selected Manage Friends, you can go ahead and tap on Add Friends for you to input the friend that you would like to play with or to be added into your friends list. Now to play with your friend, all you have to do is to go back to the DLL exhibition list and then choose on Generate Code. Once the game provided you a live code, you simply give that code into the friend that you would like to play with so that your phone will sync into multiplayer mode. And that is how you add friends and play multiplayers in Dream League Soccer.